Awards and decorations of security personnel. Section 1 and Section 2 stated that all security guards are entitled to the following awards to their outstanding feat or accomplishment or achievement during the performance of their duties and or while serving in the exercise of profession. Medalya ng Kagitingan. Blue Guards Medal of Valor can be awarded to any Blue Guards whose performance and actions falls under paragraph 1 and 2 below. Action of the Blue Guard involving conspicuous gallantry and intrepidity, ignoring the risk of life, and live above and beyond the call of duty. In order to justify this award, a Blue Guard must perform conspicuously in deed and in action personal bravery and self-sacrifice above and beyond the call of duty as to distinguish himself clearly from his comrades in performing hazardous service. Blue Guards who participated in rescue in any fire incident, disaster, calamity, or earthquake whose actions involved actual rescue operation, characterized by gallantry and intrepidity at the risk of life and live above and beyond the call of duty. In order to justify this award, a Blue Guard must have saved or attempted to save lives and properties characterized by personal bravery, courage, heroism, or self-sacrifice above and beyond the call of duty as to distinguish himself above his comrades in the performance of more than ordinary hazardous service. Medalya ng Katapatan sa Paglilingkod. Blue Guards Distinguished Service Medal can be awarded to any member of the Blue Guards whose actions and performance either fall under paragraph A or B below. It can be awarded to any Blue Guard who has rendered eminently meritorious and invaluable service in the position of major responsibility. The performance of duty must be exceptional. A superior performance of duty, normal and relative to assignment, position, and experience of an individual is not an adequate basis for the award. The accomplishment of the duty, which has to be exceptional or significant, should have been completed prior to submission of the recommendation. Medalya ng Katapangan. Blue Guards Bravery Medal. It can be awarded to any Blue Guard member with the following requirements. For gallantry of the Blue Guards action, not warranting na medalya ng kagitingan nor medalya ng katapangan sa paglilingkod. For Blue Guard members who participated on rescue operations in a fire incident, car accident, earthquake, flood, typhoon, and other disasters or calamities, and whose acts of heroism has put his life in extreme danger in his desire to save the lives of others. Medalya ng Pambihirang Paglilingkod. Blue Guards Special Service Medal. The President of the Philippine Association of Detective and Protective Agency Operators, in consonance with the resolutions of the Board of Directors, can award the medal to any member of the civilian government such as parliamentarians, statesmen, diplomats, journalists, scientists, and any member of the Philippine National Police holding them in respectable positions and whose contribution and accomplishments greatly enhance the development and professionalism of the civil security industry. The 4 degrees of the Medalya ng Pambihirang Paglilingkod with the corresponding requirements are the following. Degree of Raha. It can be awarded to any member of the legislative and the judiciary to include jurists, parliamentarians, statesmen, diplomats, journalists, scientists, and the Director General of the Philippine National Police, who has rendered eminently meritorious and invaluable service in undertaking a major responsibility leading to the development and professionalization of the civil security industry. A superior performance of normal duties based on one's position will not be made a justification to the award. Degree of Datu. It can be awarded to any of the regional directors and or any of the directors of the National Supporting Unit or Command of the Philippine National Police, who has rendered eminently meritorious and invaluable service leading to the development of the civil security industry, and contributed professional assistance while in a position of major responsibility which has a lesser degree of category and not warranting the award of the degree of Raha. Degree of Lakan. It can be awarded to any officer of the Philippine National Police and the Armed Forces of the Philippines who has distinguished himself through exceptional meritorious conduct in the performance of outstanding service in the development of the civil security industry. Degree of Maginoo. It can be awarded to any member of the PNP, Armed Forces of the Philippines, and other government law enforcement agencies who has distinguished himself through exceptional meritorious conduct and outstanding service that contributed in the making, developing, and professionalizing the civil security industry, but in a 67 lesser degree of category not warranting the award of the degree of Lacan for meritorious service of the greater value, the Blue Guards Efficiency Medal is usually awarded. Medalya ng Kadakilaan. Blue Guards Heroism Medal. It can be awarded to any Blue Guard member whose action and performance fall under paragraph 1 and 2 below. An act of heroism that involves actual conflict with criminal elements either in actual duty or beyond the relief of posted duty. An act of heroism shown or performed in rescue operations, saving the lives and properties of any person or persons who are victims of criminal elements and natural calamities or fortuitous events such as fire, earthquake, flood, typhoon, and other disasters.
Medalya ng Katangi-Tanging Asal, Blue Guard Special Action Medal. It can be awarded to any Blue Guard member in any of the categories with corresponding requirements as follows. Raha, for heroic act performed by Blue Guard member in actual conflict with criminal elements during a crime incident, or to save the lives and limbs of any person or persons in case of a fire incident which would conspicuously distinguish himself through gallantry and intrepidity notwithstanding the risk of life which is above and beyond the call of duty. Such deed of bravery and self-sacrifice must be clearly visible so as to distinguish himself from other Blue Guard members. Datu, for conspicuous act of courage and gallantry, confronting armed enemy in a crime situation or life-saving, and firefighting in a fire situation not warranting the medalya ng Katangi-Tanging Asal degree of Raha. He must perform a notable act of heroism involving risk of life as to set him apart from other members. Lakan, for gallantry in action in a crime of fire situation not warranting the medalya ng Katangi-Tanging Asal degree of Raha or Datu. It can be awarded to recognize a meritorious service accomplished with distinction by any person or persons either in a duty responsibility or in direct support to PNP station. Maginoo, for gallantry in action not warranting the medalya ng Katangi-Tanging Asal degree of Raha, Datu, or Lakan. Medalya ng Kasanayan, Blue Guards Efficiency Medal. It can be awarded to any member of the Blue Guards for meritorious and invaluable service rendered. The performance of duty must be in a way to merit recognition by an exceptional service. The superior performance of the normal duties as called for by the position is not alone justification of the award. Medalya ng Papuri, Blue Guards Commendation Medal. It can be awarded to any member of the Blue Guards who has demonstrated exemplary efficiency, devotion, and loyalty to his duty assignments. Medalya ng Sugatang Magiting, Blue Guards Wounded Medal. It can be awarded to any member of the Blue Guards in the actual performance of duties. It requires that said member must have been wounded in action in his fight against criminal elements or from a direct assault of the enemy or wounds caused by fire in a firefighting activity, provided, however, that such wounds would necessitate treatments by a medical officer. For this purpose, a wound is hereby defined as an injury to any part of the body sustained due to a hostile act of an enemy on quelling a fire. Medalya sa pagtulong sa nasalanta, Blue Guards Disaster Relief and Rehabilitation Medal. It can be awarded to any member of the Blue Guards with the requirement that there should be an active participation of such member in an undertaking that involves rescue or relief and rehabilitation operations in relation to disasters of fortuitous events such as typhoons, flood, earthquakes, conflagration, and other calamities.